Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Here I'm going to show you how I make this simple, moist, crispy chicken wings using the air fryer. So it's simple. And here are the ingredients. These are the ingredients I used. I used the fish breadcrumbs. I like that kind. I also used turmeric, a little bit of honey, mustard. You know, I like using mustard in everything. And I have RAGU there. RAGU is the, this one I'm using is the garlic toasted. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm about to mix it all up. What I did in the beginning was soak the chicken wings in water and a bit of salt. This is what contributes to the moist of the chicken. Second, what I'm making here is mixing up all the ingredients you just saw. This is the mixture that I'm going to soak the chicken in for a bit. You can soak the chicken in here overnight. Well, this is a game changer right here. As you see, it looks delicious already. So let's keep watching. Thank you for watching my channel. I appreciate you. Subscribe and share with your friends, your family, everyone that loves cooking or wanna learn how to cook. Let's keep watching. I'm going to be putting all these ingredients together, mix them very well. This will be where I'll be tossing the chicken, the crispy part of the chicken. Here we come. Let's keep watching.